So let's now read the reports that came out from this iteration. Like you see here, this is the sprint report that contains the user stories that are finished with their story points. The most important reports are the sprint velocity chart and the burn down chart. Let's begin with the burn down chart. The burn down chart is a chart that gives me the amount of work remaining throughout my iteration. Okay, so like he says, track the total work remaining and project in this iteration. So here our iteration consists of 7 days. Okay, I don't know why is this chart like this. Okay, there is a problem with the chart. This is the first time that I see the chart like this. But if we go and search for burn down chart Jira, I will show you how should this chart be inside a real project. This is the burn down chart. So the red line is the real work, okay? How much story points did we finish each day? And the gray line is the estimated work, okay? The estimated work at the beginning of the iteration. The days that don't contain any work are, of course, the off days and the vacations, okay? So this is the burn down chart. The second chart is the velocity chart, which means how much amount of work can we do inside each iteration. So this iteration, we finished 8 story points. Here he does not say that I am committed to anything. This is strange. Let's create another iteration and see the problem. So the next iteration, okay, let's go and active sprints. We don't have any active sprints. Let's create a sprint. Create sprint, okay. The button is not working. Yes, create sprint, okay. Then I will send my work to the sprint, the new sprint. Okay, so I am committed to 33 story points in the new sprint. 1 week, okay. The work is done. I can move it from to do to done, then complete the sprint, complete. Let's look at the charts again. So this is correct. Okay, the burn down chart, like you see, at the beginning I had 33, it will appear here, 33 story points that I am committed to inside this iteration. Each day I will finish some work and there will be 2 days off and then I will finish all my work. But the red line is the real work. I finished all the story points inside the first day because I finished them all now. Then the velocity chart will be more clear. This is our velocity through the iterations. The first iteration we finished 8 story points. The second iteration we wanted to finish 33 story points and we finished 33 story points. So the next iteration, let's say that we want to finish 40 story points and so on. We begin to improve and increase our velocity. Okay, so these are our sprints. If we return to the backlog, you will find no issues because all our issues are done.